Hello everyone, I'm Kelly and welcome back to my channel. In this short video I'm going to show you how to knit one front and back. This technique increases your stitches, so if you needed to go up in the body size, say like of a hat, because they have cables which makes the body of it a little tighter than the brim, you would go up. This particular one also is very simple to do. It's probably one of the easier ways to increase stitches, but also it doesn't really flow with the pattern as far as if you didn't need to do that. So a make one right or a make one left might have you do that, or a make one purlwise, which I have video tutorials on those as well if you needed. But I will show you how to knit one through the front and back to simply make extra stitches to increase the number of stitches on your needle. So let me show you real quick how to do that. We're going to start with a couple stitches here. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and increase. So I will use the next stitch and I will knit that stitch normally. However, I will leave the stitch on the needle, and then I'm going to go around to the back and I'm going to knit through the back of that stitch. And that's kind of like a twisted stitch if you ever knit through the back on like a brim or something. But if you notice, it looks like a purl bump, the second one. So I knit the first through the front first, so that looks like a knit, and then I knit through the back and that actually looks like a purl. So we're gonna do a couple more just to show you. Knit through the front and then go to the back and just go through the back loop and knit through the back, and you'll see now I have the two stitches instead of one, and then I'll remove it. This is a good one if you are needing to do a one by one flow into the body. This would be a good one for that. Knit through the front as normal, leave it on the needle, knit through the back, and then remove. And I'll do it one more time. Knit through the front, pull that through, knit through the back, pull that through, drop it off. And now I have a few extra stitches on here, and you'll see how they kind of look like little purl bumps. So again, this is perfect if it goes into creating a knit one purl one, and then it may continue in that pattern or it may not. But that is how you do a K1fb knit one front and back. Thank you for watching.